Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can email Yubo. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy process for this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So what happens is sometimes you want to send a message to the Yubo, so you can use emails. So there might be a problem with your ease, there might be a problem having different things, let's say swipe not working or anything. So you want to have a chat with them. What you can do is you can send a mail to Yubo on support@yubo.live. so you can send the email to that particular address and then you can do the process. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.